Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today I have come up with Chono sijailalae Rasam. Rasam from Bengal gram pulse stock. Now, this is another recipe which is very healthy and nutritious, and this is served along with rice. If you do not have any vegetable, you can happily prepare this dish along with rice. It's a bit spicy, so you can just sip it when you have a blocked nose or a cold. So the next time onwards, if you are pressure cooking Bengal gram, see that you do not throw away the cooked water. You can use it for the preparation of this recipe. No onion and garlic have been used in its preparation. Coming to the ingredients. You need 1 cup Chono sijailalae udakka or Bengal gram pulse stock, salt to taste and a few coriander leaves. For seasoning you need mustard, red chilli powder, peppercorns and 1 sprig curry leaf. So these are the various ingredients that you require. Pour 1 cup Chono sijailalae udakka or Bengal gram pulse stock into a vessel. Add salt if you have not added salt while cooking the Bengal gram and allow it to boil. Once boiled, remove from the flame and do the seasoning as follows. Heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add curry leaves. Now switch off the flame and add red chilli powder and crushed peppercorns. Saute for a few seconds and pour it on top of the boiled stock. Garnish with coriander leaves. Your Chono sijailalae rasam or rasam from Bengal gram pulse stock is ready to be served. Serve it along with rice or sip it hot. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. In this channel, I will be sharing most of the Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And please do keep watching my channel regularly.